label some of my lip glosses. And we can talk while I label. Now, how I label my products is I use Avery.com. This one, particular one, I use to label my bags and things. And then I have this one. But these labels here that I'm using right now is Avery is 22822. That's what I'm using to label my lip glosses. I also use what's the other one? I also use 22853. And like I said, these are Avery. Avery.com. You buy these. You can buy them on Amazon, or go to Amazon, or go to Office Max, or order them. Then you log online and you put your design in and you print them out. So anyway, I made some nude glosses, and I'm going to label them. This one here, I want to kind of let's see something. Get a little slippery. Kind of in the bag. I just feel a little slippery. I don't know. Hold on one second. Yeah, this is a different one. I was just trying to compare these two. They're two different colors. This one is caramel. I was trying to see. Yeah, I was just trying to compare the colors. So this one, I'm just gonna call this one Mocha. I made these this morning, and let me see. I'm gonna show you the different kinds that I have. I'm going to be getting ready to do one of my first pop-up shops. I'm excited. So now I'm just kind of trying to get prepared for it by trying to get my inventory up. So that's what I'm doing right now. Trying to get my inventory up. That's what I'm in the midst of doing, you guys. My business is doing pretty good. Although most of my sales are local for some reason. My online sales are not as popping as my local sales. I mean, as my my online sales is not as popular as my local sales. I mean, my local sales are doing so good, but my online sales is kind of lagging for some reason. I don't know why. I just updated my website. I have a new website. do a whole new company. But I'm just gonna keep on keeping on. You know, doing your own business is not easy, and especially just doing online sales. First of all, people gotta know you. They don't know who you are. You know, gotta get out there. But let me tell you, I pass out cards everywhere I go. I take my little. I have a little box, a lash box and I have lip glosses and bracelets in there too. I take that with me everywhere I go. I keep it in my trunk, so I'm always ready to make a sale. Yes, always ready. These here is coffee. This coffee. So this is mocha. This is coffee. Part of my new collection. Yeah, but as I was saying, I take my product with me everywhere I go. My soaps with, I would say, my best sellers would be my turmeric soap, my bracelets, and my cotton candy body butter. Those are my top sellers right now. Lashes, they always sell. I just bought some those 25 milliliter lashes. I don't have a lot of customers buying those, but however, I didn't buy a whole bunch of them. See how it goes. But I try to have something for everybody, you know. That's what I try to do, have something for everybody. So, hopefully with this pop-up shop, things will go well. But I just ordered some more lashes, which I have them right here in this bag over here. Let me get to those a little bit. Now these are my cinnamon. It smells like cinnamon. So this is mocha. This is coffee. This is cinnamon. And I have another one. I have my bubble gum. I'll go get it. And this is bubble gum, and it smells like bubble gum. So yeah. You know how many? Who can guess how many lip gloss I have in my purse? About 1,000. No, not 1,000. Just kidding. But I have a lot because every time I make lip gloss, you know, I have to have the first. I have to try it, right? So yeah. And like I said, I really like this one here. Goes with your complexion. For those of you who have businesses or thinking of starting one, I say now is a good time to do so. But you have to put in the work, that's for sure. You have to put in the work because you know, people make videos and make it look like it's easy, but it's not. It's a lot of work. And although you're working for yourself, it's still not easy. It's not. It's not easy. That's all I can say. And you really have to just stick with trying to go on quicker. Yeah, you really have to grind, you know, and really want it. I don't know. That's consistent, stick with it, can't give up. And I'm gonna say next year around this time, I'm gonna be good to go. Because I'm gonna stay on it. Put my name out there. Keep bringing my people more products. Okay, if you guys want to know what I sell right now, first, I started off with lip gloss. My shimmer lip gloss. That's the first thing I started off with. And then, the next thing you know, I added lashes. Right? And then it just went down from there. Then I just started adding more and more stuff. So now I have quite a variety of products. I had soap, body butters, what else? Just knocking all my little lip gloss down, y'all. Today is a Saturday. I usually don't come in my office on Saturdays, but I need to get a few things done. Usually I come just during the week. But of course, it's my business, so I come whenever I want to. I started my business May the 22nd of this year. And I just got my building about a month now. I'm in my building. Like I said, it's doing pretty good locally. I have no problem paying my rent and everything. I keep my business and my personal finances separate. Right? Yeah. And these, I'm gonna set these aside for a minute. I just keep knocking. It's good to have, it's a good idea to have a journal. Make your goals and stuff like that. I have my journal. Make my goals, my sales. But my desire, like I said, is really to bring my internet sales up. But I have no problem with local sales. I try to make a goal to sell a certain amount. Just start making these bracelets here. We got some new lashes that I received today. I had to label them, put them on my website. Gotta do that. Yeah, these are just lashes I have to label. What do you guys think about these? Pretty cute. Let's see. Let me check them out. Pretty cute. I try to get something for everybody because I get a lot of people that just like, they don't like the long ones. They like the regular everyday type stuff. So I'm gonna try to get more of the 15 millimeters and the 20 maybe, and get more of those. But yeah. But you guys, I'm not gonna stay on prolong too much longer. I'll be making more videos. Just wanted to do some labeling and talk a little bit. So those of you who are having business, don't give up, keep pushing, cause I am. And I know my online sales it'll get there. So talk to you guys later.